Hello, yeah, welcome to this video. My name is Shedrack, and on this video, I'm going to be showing you a platform which is called Rudata to enable you to subscribe for data at a cheaper rate in Nigeria. It's a brand new platform that is very good and reliable in terms of data subscription in Nigeria. So let's get started. But before then, please do say to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, because on this channel we do make reviews on platforms that are actually good and legit in Nigeria that you can actually use to buy data in Nigeria. We'll make a review just like this very one. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon. Then use the link in the description of this video to get started with rudata.com.ng. Now to get started, it's very simple. All you have to do is to go to rudata.com.ng. For those of you that are new to rudata.com.ng, what is Rudata? It is an online mobile recharge platform that enables you to vend products that has to do with data subscriptions, airtime, VTU in Nigeria, and also paying of bills like utility bill on a stretch. So the platform is very quite simple, and the process of getting started is very simple, and all it takes is just 3 steps to get started. What are those steps that are involved to get started with Rudata? One is to become a registered user, which is also very free. You don't need to pay anything to get started. Activate a free account to explore Rudata offering as a platform. So the next step you have to take after that is to fund your account. Okay, so you can actually use the account funding process, which I'm going to be showing you on this video briefly, to get your account funded. So once you fund the account, the next thing is to make purchases. And once you are making your purchases, all your purchases is going to be what? Delivered instantly, be it in the midnight, be it on the day, any time of the day. So it's a very quite sophisticated platform that I want to just introduce you to. Then use the link in the show notes video to get started. Then their services are very cheap, guys. That's one thing I like on Root Data. Their prices of data subscription are very cheap. So get started with Root Data by using the link in the show notes video to get started on the go. So to get started is very quite simple. All you have to do is to click on either register login. You can also download their mobile app. You can also see it here. You can see mobile download app. So once you click on download app, it's an Android app. You download the Android app, which is also, you can install it to access all their services. So, but then I want to use a web system to just to show you what I want to show you in terms of like registration, and also have to use the system. So once you are here, all you have to do is to either register or log in. If you click on login now, it will take you to the place where to log in. But if you have not opened an account, just click on register now. So it will take you to the place where you have to actually fill up your form. Okay, now the thing you need to fill here is very simple. You have to fill your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address. Okay, so these are the details you need to fill to get started. The first initial details you need to fill to get started. So I'm just quickly going to fill these details and resume this video. So you can see I've filled up the details, which is very, very easy. You can see all the details I just filled. I have to fill in my first name, my last name, your phone number, your email address. I want to tell you one thing about the email address. The email address is very important because this is where the system is going to send you an OTPS. What is an OTPS? One-time authentication code that system we use to verify, to know that actually we're a real human being making use of the system. So make sure you supply a real valid email address, because with that, that's what the system is going to send you a code. So once you are done with the first stage, you have to just click on the second one, which is click on continue. Just click on this tab, which is continue. So once you click on it, it will take you to the place where you have to actually select your state where you actually base. Okay, so just select your state where you base currently, and then put in your password. Okay, your password is what you are going to be using to log in. Okay, once you put it, you actually confirm the password. Then put your 4-digit PIN. Now this PIN will be used for transaction. When you want to make transaction, the PIN will be required anytime you want to make transaction. So you can just put in 4-digit PIN that you can actually remember, right? So don't put the one that you cannot be able to remember. Then on this place where you see referral, so make sure that you use my code, which is here. You can see the code here, 08136367446. Although you can also use the link in the description of the video to get started. Once you click on the link, this particular referral code is going to be automatically populated for you. So no need of you putting it again. So once you are done with every of this information that you have filled up now, the next thing you have to do is to click on register. Okay. So, but I don't want to make registration because I already have an account. So I'm just going to click on login to just what's called sign up to my own existing account. What is required of you is to sign up with just your phone number and that of your password, which you define when you are registering. So make sure that you define those parameters and remember them. So you shouldn't define and forget them, right? So once you are done, you click on login. So once you are logged in, you'll be logged into your own personalized account where you actually have to manage everything that has to do with your a transaction with the platform. So the first thing you should notice is the announcement, which of course here you see the announcement that has to do with what is happening on the platform. You'll be informed right away here. So take note of it. Now, the next thing you are seeing here is the balance, which shows you the current amount you have with the platform. So you can see here I have 239 naira at the balance. Then the next at the other side, which is the left right hand side, is the fund. Okay, what it means is to fund your account. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on this fund. When you click on this fund, it will take you to this place. On this place, what you have to do is to click on bank transfer, right? So you can see it now. Click on this bank transfer. So once you click on this bank transfer, what you need to do is to make a transfer to this particular account, which is Wima Bank. Then this is their account number, and then this is the account name and account number. So make sure that you make a transfer to this account. Then click on contact admin. Okay, so contact admin on WhatsApp. Admin is always online to attend to you with your payment proof, right? Whatever amount you put in, make sure that you contact admin on WhatsApp so that it can be credited. So if you click on this WhatsApp icon again, you can actually click here to contact support, right? Anytime you make your payment, you can see the phone number to contact. You can see it is written boldly here. I believe you are getting it. So it's quite very simple. Make sure you contact support anytime you make your payment. You can also join the WhatsApp group, also DM or support on WhatsApp. So all this is available at your disposal. It is very, very easy. So once you have your money in your account, the next thing you have to do is to now start buying products. Okay, but before you buy product, there's something that you need to actually check. What are the amounts products are being sold here? So let me just quickly give you a review of it. You can see it. We click on price here, pricing here. Let me just click on pricing here. So if I click on this pricing, it's going to take me to the place where I have to see the prices of the products. So you can see all the prices of the products. How much are you going to be getting? Like Airtime VTU. You can see Airtime VTU, how much you are going to be getting for subscribing for Airtime, right? So you can see it stated categorically here. So you can also see here that you can see the current rate of sales of product, which is MTN SME. You can see the amount is very, very cheap, guys. It's very, very cheap. So get started right away with rudata.com.ng. Use the link in the show video to sign up right away. So there's going to be all that video we're going to be doing on this Rudata platform. So, but then this is just like, okay, place how to actually buy products, okay, how to actually register, how to actually fund your account. And then if you want to now make purchases, is quite very simple. For instance, you want to buy data, all you have to do is to click on this buy data. Can you see it now? It's very simple. All you have to do is to click on buy data. When you click on buy data, it will take you to the place where you have to actually select the network, then select the plan as like the data kind of type, which is SME for in this case. But if it's gifting, it can select it. Anyone is select, it will change to that particular data you selected. So for instance, I want to just go for SME, and then I'm going to put in the amount of gig I want to buy, then put in the phone number you want to subscribe that data to. So here I'm just going to put this. Make sure that the system has also marked this, that is actually what MTN. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to click on buy data. Just click on this buy data. This time will actually prompt you to tell you, okay, you want to buy this data to this particular line. Are you sure? All you have to do is to click on this yes. Okay, it's as simple as that. Just click on yes, and then put in that your pin that I told you initial. Remember that was the time I told you about the pin. So you have to put it there, so that the system will actually, you now click on continue. Once everything is okay, the system will automatically send that data to that particular recipient in real time. Okay, so that's how Rudata works. It's a very simple platform that you can actually use to do your data subscription. Not only data, airtime. Okay, you can also buy airtime. Just click on airtime, select the network you want to purchase, then select VTU in this regard, then put in the phone number, and then do your subscription. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. Nothing too complicated here. Now, remember, the next video we're going to be doing, we're going to look at the business aspect of Rudata, how to actually refer people into this platform to earn money. No, we're also going to be looking at how to actually own something that looks like Rudata. So you don't want to miss all these updates on Rudata. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Always contact admin if you have any technical issue as regard to using the platform. The admin is always online 247 to actually attend to you. And remember to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Until then, make use of this Rudata right away. Make use of my referral link, which is on this description of this video, and then thank me later. I'm going to see you in the very next video.